Hello, everyone. We, Group 1, are here to present our B major project titled Predicting Multiple Intelligences Using AI. So this project is mentored by Professor Amit Singh and co-mentored by Prajakta Pote. We have 4 team members, Kartiki Deshmukh, Prerana Larekni, Prachi Pawar, Vaishali Sen. So, let us first get through with the overview of our presentation. We will begin with an introduction which I already have, followed by the problem statement, literature survey, then we will move forward to understanding the system architecture and prompts. Then walking forward, we'll understand the implementation and see what all existing solutions we have and finally conclude with the future scope of our project. So let's go forward without any delay. Our project is inspired by Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligences. Howard proposed this theory that intelligence is not a single general ability but a combination of several types of intelligences where these could be musical, linguistic, logical, interpersonal and more. He introduced this theory in the year 1983 and it revolutionized the education system by encouraging more personalized and diverse learning strategies. Well, he defined 8 types of intelligences, which were musical, kinesthetic, logical mathematical, interpersonal, intrapersonal, linguistic, spatial and naturalistic. Each individual possesses a unique combination of these intelligences. The limitations of Gardner's theory, however, were that they would lack an empirical evidence to support each intelligence functioning independently. The definitions of the intelligences are broad and sometimes ambiguous as well. So, it underestimates the role of general intelligence, which is still widely acknowledged in psychology. So we go on to identifying the research gap with this problem. Well, traditional assessments used fixed questions that do not adapt the user's response or context, which may lead to inaccurate results. Since we all human beings are known to be unique and possess different intelligences, of course, we cannot narrow down our perspectives to everyone having one type of intelligence. So, our project aims to address this gap using artificial intelligence to make the assessment dynamic and personalized. Well, while we were searching for the literature survey, we reviewed several academic papers and articles that critiques the limitations of static intelligence assessments. These resources highlight the need for dynamic, adaptable tools that can better evaluate a person's intelligence, which would be based on real-world context and development. Our project is built on the recommendations and gaps identified in these literature studies. So, our problem statement can be defined as, how can we fine-tune multiple intelligence assessment by replacing static questions with a personalized AI-driven question-asking model? Well, our solution dynamically tailors questions based on the user's responses, leading to more accurate and engaging evaluations. So, moving forward are the existing solutions. There are some existing tools such as Midas and Midler that offer me-based assessments. However, these are still largely based on static questioning, but our solution goes beyond that by adapting the individual learning processes in real time using AI. These papers which are now shown to you are discussing how learning styles and intelligence influences academia, performance and engagement. They emphasize the importance of tailoring education to a learner's strength, which is what our model is exactly designed to do. Taking about the overall architecture, it powers an intelligence predictor where a Flask web app collects user input and manages sessions. Responses are stored and analyzed using the Google Gemini API, while the intelligence guesser determines intelligence types using contextual data from the document repository. Sentence Transformer creates embeddings for better search and matching. The app then returns a personalized intelligence profile to the user. Now, let's understand what our data set